Planning also is there. We can plan it. For traveling, 4,000, document expense 1,000, other cost is 1,000. Just our planned cost. Before their visiting, we can estimate the cost of visiting 4,000, 1,000. This is our estimation. But when come to real or actual, you can see the difference. How much is increased, how much has decreased from the actual cost to when we compare to actual and plan. Our actual cost is 7,500, planned cost is 6,000. So total 1,500 rupees is more than our planned cost. So cost is increased here. Now I would like to show you creating real order. In the real order, I will show you the scenario. See, our cost sheet is like this: production something, production 2 something, and admin cost is also something. Here advertisement expenses 10,000, stall rent 2,000, other charges 4,000. Here we can allocate the costs in the month end to production cost center. These are the costs in production 1 and production 2 and administration cost. These 3 are cost centers. These cost element expense must be transferred to the production cost centers in the month end. So for transferring that cost, we have to do some operations here. First, if we want to transfer this cost to directly production 1, production 2, it is not possible to transfer this cost to directly production cost centers. You must create a secondary cost element for the settlement of costs. Here, first, this cost transferred to the secondary cost element, and this is also, we can call it also as sender. And there we must create the settlement profile. The settlement profile used like receiver cost centers. We have to create for this, for receiving this cost from advertisement and stall and other charges cost elements. We must create settlement profile here. See, these costs are transferred to secondary cost elements, and directly with the settlement profile, we can transfer this cost to the production 1 and production 2 admin cost centers. I will show you how it happens. First, if you see the configuration steps.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Close the black screen and make it bigger. Size, font size.
Is it okay?
Black screen close. Black screen close.
Okay.
Make it font size big or zoom it.
This is the image. How is it okay?
130 is better.
130. Okay. Is it okay now?
Okay.
See, create field status group like which you have created in the before statistical order. Same paths. We must create ledgers. These are the ledgers: advertisement expense, stall rent, and other charges. So we need here allocation structure for sending all the cost element costs to the primary cost. Okay, O6. So here I will show you how to create the allocation structure. There we can see this 4 allocation structure: assignment, source, settlement, cost element. I will show you when we go to configure. Then settlement profile. Settlement profile is you like receivers, cost centers, no? Production 1, production 2, and admin. These are the receivers. You will set they in the settlement profile. You must create the receivers. Range, order type, number, create internal order. All are the same as a statistical order. I will show you one by one. First, we go to create secondary cost element KA06. Here, secondary cost element means this is not related to our GLs. No need to create in the FS00 and directly no need to convert them into the cost center. This is separate. This cost element is separate. I will show you when you give some number which is not there in the cost elements. We have to see this. This is separate number. We can give any number here. The cost elements in the basic data. You have to give order settlement, business event. See 21 here. Cost element category is 21. Generally, we give here one as like primary and secondary costs, but you give here 21. 21 is internal settlement. If you drill down this, you can see there internal settlement it is. Then OBC4 as usual, but here we must required entry only cost center PP order only. You can see here only keep this one option only. In the statistical order, both are kept. Next, we can with that field status group, we must create all 3 GLs. See, advertisement expense. These are P&L accounts, no? 001. Z001 our field status group, which we have created in the OBC4 for especially internal orders. Now we go to create allocation structure. This is the important here. When you click on allocation structure, we have to give some name. W2. Here we can give as your wish, but here it is given W2. Next, click on assignments. And the assignments 10 and business event is given. Click on sources. Here sources 1520 to 1522. See, in the FS00 we must create traveling expenses and advertisement cost. Sorry, I'll show you again. Which we have created 3 ledgers are there, no? In FS00, those are must be converted into the primary cost elements. After creating the ledgers, we must convert them into the primary cost elements. After that, that number must be given in the source field from 1520 to 1522. 1520 to 1522. So